In this video, we'll take a close look at how the calendar mechanism works in this Omega chronograph with the Omega 1164 movement. Let's begin by placing the movement on a proper holder so we can examine it safely and clearly. With the crown pulled out to the first click, we activate the quickset mode, which lets us adjust the date directly. Notice how the date moves only forward. It doesn't go backwards. Now, when we pull the crown out to the second click, we can set the time. As we turn the hands clockwise, the date driving wheel engages the date disc and pushes the date forward. Here's the date driving wheel. And this part here is the date jumper. As we continue to move the hand slowly, you'll see the date change taking place. There it is. The date has just advanced. Now, here's something important. Right after the date changes, the date driving wheel is still engaged with the date disc. Watch what happens if we now try to use the quickset function at the first click to change the date again. It won't move because the driving wheel is still locking the date disc in place. If you force it here, you can damage the mechanism. So, advance the hands a little further until the driving wheel fully disengages from the date disc. Now, the quickset function works perfectly without any risk. Thanks for watching, and be sure to handle your watch's calendar mechanism carefully.